Automation is changing industries and creating new skill requirements for the workforce of tomorrow. Many institutions are facing the challenge of making technology accessible for the next generation. Our KUKA Education Portfolio offers robotics for labs and classrooms, even without prior knowledge. Our education cells are designed for teaching environments. They are modular and flexibly fit to different learning levels. You can start really simple and increase complexity step by step. Even as a beginner, it is easy to get started quickly with typical use cases from industry, like pick and place. Our system is intuitive, safe, and even AI-ready. You can first create and test your application in your simulation software with our digital twin. This allows you to understand processes before even using the real robot. Moving from the virtual model to the real cell is easy and seamless. This allows quick and easy learning. Of course, KUKA does not only provide the robotics solution, but also specifically designed training in order to enable teachers without prior knowledge. The learning materials for teachers and students are included in order to get quickly started into robotics learning. Our goal is to enable the next generation for real industrial needs. Students gain hands-on experience with real automation technology. In that way, KUKA supports a growing ecosystem of talents, educators, and partners. What starts with learning today leads to industrial automation of tomorrow.
Making automation easier.